So step number one is to have a really good preheated oven. Chicken can cook at a pretty high temperature and that can speed things up, but my favorite temperature for roasting whole chicken is 375 degrees. You should not wash or rinse your chicken. Step number two is take your chicken out of the package and put it on a roasting pan. And then step number three is I love to season chicken. And you know, it can be as simple as seasoning chicken with salt and pepper and you'll have delicious chicken. So Ty and I are gonna start by seasoning these chickens with our Manitoba chicken spice. And then if you wish, you can enhance the flavor of that chicken by adding some delicious things into the cavity. So Ty, should we get started?
Let's get started.
Let's get going here. Okay, so I've got some Manitoba chicken spice. I'm just gonna start. Do you wanna start with the pepper?
Sure.
Great. So Ty, what are some of your favorite things to season chicken with? What do you like?
I like using lemons. What I do.
Voila, me too. What do you do?
Well, I use preserved lemons.
Okay.
And I chop them and then I stuff the cavity.
One of my favorite things too is onion. Most of us have onions. Do you want to put some onions in?
Sure.
Here we go. So Ty, these actually look great. Okay. I think we are going to take these and we are going to pop them in your supercharged oven. So when chicken comes out of the oven and it's at the perfect temperature, what you want to do is you want to let your chicken rest. Minimum of 10 minutes, up to 20 minutes. And when you tent it, what that does is it takes all those juices that have come out of the chicken as it's been roasting and it lets them settle back into the chicken. So you have that perfect, moist, delicious roast chicken. So we insert the probe into the middle of the breast to check the temperature, and it should read 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. So Ty, guess what we're gonna move on to now?
Quesadillas.
We're gonna make quesadillas together. So we've got our cream cheese, and the next thing we're gonna add to this cream cheese is 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. You can use lime juice concentrate. So I'm just gonna start blending this together. This cream cheese we've let come up to room temperature, so it's easy to blend. The next thing we have is 3 cut up green spring onions that I'm adding, but you could add a different kind of onion if you had on hand. We've got 1 chopped jalapeno. Took the seeds out because if you like it really hot, keep the seeds in. So I'm gonna get you to add that for me. And then we have our superstar ingredient. This is our leftover roast chicken. We've got about 2 cups here. You can use small, like taco-sized tortillas, or you can use big ones. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Now we're just gonna layer on the flavor. So some cheese. You can use cilantro or parsley. So we'll just put a little bit on. Okay, and then we're just gonna fold it over. And one of our favorite kitchen tools is a panini press. But you can put these in a pan. You can make them like a grilled cheese in a frying pan or a baking pan. Super easy.